Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make a homemade pizza. Okay, so for the crust, I'm using a carb balanced wheat tortilla. Okay, so now I'm just adding the tomato sauce. I'm using the Prego sauce. Okay, now I'm just adding a little more seasoning to the sauce. So I'm just using garlic powder and some black pepper. Okay, so I decided I wanted some onion on my pizza. So you're just gonna see me cut up the onion. Okay, so here you can add whatever you like on your pizza. Some days I add green peppers, mushrooms, but today I just wanted onions, cheese, and pepperoni. So here I decided to put a little bit of cheese, and then I'm going to be adding the pepperoni. Then you're gonna see me put more cheese on top. Yep, I wanted my pizza to have a lot of cheese on it. That's what I like. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I post more videos like this. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just going to be putting it in the oven and show you guys how it looked once it was done. And then I'm going to add some more seasoning on top. Now that it's done, I'm just going to be cutting it up into 4 pieces. Wow, doesn't this look good? Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think.